Good morning. Look up in the sky. It's partly sunny. Yes, I am out in my mother's yard. My dad planted this tree years ago. It's called the Rose of Sharon. As you can see, some of the pink blooms on it. It has definitely grew. Wow. Now those are artificial, everyone. We already know people hook their yards up. But I wanted to actually show you all the butterfly. You see that butterfly? A lot of times, certain things you just can't catch live and in color until you come to the South, baby. Yes, I am enjoying my beautiful morning. And obviously, the butterflies enjoying these pink blooms. It's a September morning, and it's something about September. It was a beautiful breeze yesterday, and look, there goes a buddy. You see that bee? That bumblebee? Look at there. Nature all in one. Wow. Nature is beautiful. My mom says we're living in a live picture. Wouldn't you think so? Well, I'm just out and about enjoying my beautiful time. Say hi, Rocky. Say hi, Rock Rock. Say hello. Say hello, Rock Rock. Say hello. As y'all can see, my puppy went on a road trip. First road trip. And he came to see his buddy. Say hi, Toto. Say hi, Toto. Say hello. So as you can see, it's nothing like a getaway when you can relax. No extra noise from the buses. No extra smell from the fumes in the air. Yes, I know how to get away and enjoy it. Now, as you all can see ahead, y'all see that pine tree all across the street over there? See the tip to the bottom? That tree right there that looks like it's going to touch the sky is the same age that me and my brother pretty much and my sister are, and all our neighbors that was living here years ago. Years ago. We remember when the man planted the little pine tree, and look how tall it has grown. So this is our little historic piece right here. When a pine tree is still living, nobody has cut it down. Ha! That's definitely history. So I'm out and about in my mother and father's yard, and we're just enjoying our beautiful time. I mean, I can't ask for more. This is where our genuine roots, our spirit come from. Just enjoying each other. I just had to show you all that life can be fun if you take time out. All our neighbors, people speaking to each other. We getting ready to start the grill up later. Hey, we know flea markets, yard sales. We know all about all that. Hanging the signs up, getting ready to hook up. It's like that. Genuine spirits create genuine memories. Yep. Tell him, Rock. Tell him, Toto. Y'all boys being good today. All right, I just wanted to just come out and just let you all enjoy this beautiful morning with me. I'm praying that you all are enjoying you all's time. It is a holiday weekend. I pray that you all be safe, enjoy your time, appreciate each breath you take. No extra, no extra, because we about to be on and we about to keep it safe. Also, let me let you all see. My dad keep this grass cut. They actually sit on 2 acres. Sometimes you can see deers. They're not here today, but they come out too. Jackrabbits, raccoons. I know some people are like, oh no, I ain't got time for that. But look at the beautiful sky. Look at the beautiful trees. Look at the beautiful yard. Tell me, tell me, who is unappreciative of this life? All right, well, once we finish walking, my mom is in there preparing some more little food. I'm about to hook up some other items. Me and my sister and brother and family members, we about to hook it up. Yes. All right, well, we out of here. I just wanted to like let you in on a little special treat. Okay? It's all good. It's all good. We having a good time. All right, I'm going in here to help my mommy out. Y'all know that's where I get my cooking skills from. Be safe and enjoy your life. Let go and let God. Let go and let God. Open your arms up wide and hug the sky.